जी, मैं बिल्कुल यूज़ करती हूँ। वन बिकॉज़ क्योंकि वो नॉर्मली एक्स और पेन्स होते थे तो आप वो स्टिकी बाम लगाते हो या जो भी पेन किलिंग वो उसके अलग अलग होते हैं, लेकिन ये जेल है एंड इट्स जस्ट apply it and leave it. So yes, I do use a lot of Volini gel.
It's doctor prescribed, and even after 5 years of advertising the product, it still stays like the largest prescribed pain reliever in the Indian market.
Gel is a very good, again, an efficacious product, and it is a combination of 4 ingredients. The property or the USP I would say of this brand is that it has nano gel formulation. उससे ये ज़्यादा अंदर तक समाता है skin में, and hence it gives much better and quicker action. So there's no need to massage.
Volini gel is a very effective pain reliever. In fact, its efficacy is vouched by a lot of consumer studies we've done. Out of every 2 people who try the brand, 1 sticks onto the brand. So it's quick absorb formula, gets you very effective pain relief, and I think the consumers stand a testimony to that.
I'm turning it to the camera now because I had turned around with it. Okay, stop, let's go. Even the doctors will tell you that Volini is the #1 and it's absolutely safe and it is a good product to use. So even the expert, which is a doctor in any sort of a medical thing, your expert will also tell you that Volini is an expert and you should use it. So camera, action. तेरा भरोसा सिर्फ एक्सपर्ट, जैसे फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट, डांस एक्सपर्ट.
Basically, what we are trying to capture again here, a little bit of branding also with the kind of coursings with the color combination with the sari and the costume they are wearing. But it's not about the branding, it's the whole thing of like this celeb, particularly the Indian heroine. They look amazing on the sari, so it's a nice thing to catch them in sari.
And take it again, rolling still. Camera, action.
मेरा भरोसा तो सिर्फ एक्सपर्ट, जैसे फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट, डांस एक्सपर्ट और दर्द में तो सिर्फ एक्सपर्ट ही जानते हैं.
From 2007, the brand was around 30 crores, and the brand would be ending the year sales at 150 crores. So virtually pentupling in sales, which is a record, the highest growing brand in the OTC arena. And it's gone from a rank upwards, like 100 rank to the top 10 brands in the Indian pharma market at the moment.
Because the number of people who keep coming to ask us for samples, या हम जैसे स्टॉल लगाते हैं कभी-कभी और उसमें डिस्काउंट सेलिंग करते हैं. The maximum sale is of the biggest pack, which is the 50-gram pack. So we are now coming up with even more bigger packs, which are 150, 250-gram packs as well.
Action.
तो जब दर्द सताए चुनिए सिर्फ एक्सपर्ट, ब्रांड बैग से Volini को ट्राई कीजिए और फर्क महसूस कीजिए.
It's leading the category growths. So yeah, for Ranbaxy, Volini is the jewel in the crown, and we continue our efforts in order to keep it that way.
I think कहीं पे मैं बहुत खुशकिस्मत रही हूँ that I never really needed to work out for the weight. लेकिन अभी भी I don't think it's for the weight, more for the fitness. When I run behind my child, when I have late nights, I can feel that I need the fitness levels. So yes, now I do go to the gym.
Spray, it's essentially used by office goers, sports people. Like I have ended up, like using spray while I used to play, hockey in school. It never used to be Volini spray because it was not launched, and there used to be other brands which we used to, go about using.
स्प्रे का यूज़ है कि कन्वीनियंस है, तो आप अपने हैंड बैग में रख सकते हैं, कहीं भी जा रहे हैं, कहीं चोट, बिकॉज चोट तो बता के नहीं लगेगी. इसका असर एंकल स्प्रेन, काफ मसल स्प्रेन, नेक एंड शोल्डर पेन, उसमें ज़्यादा है.
It's more meant for on the go, anytime, anywhere usage, you know, more for the people who are into sports, a very active lifestyle, very fit to carry it along anywhere and very handy to use.
मेरी जो करियर रही है उसमें डांसिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट रहा है उसका, और उसकी वजह से मुझे ये स्ट्रेन हो जाता है, एक्स और पेन्स जो होते हैं, इट्स एज गुड अ फॉर्म ऑफ एक्सरसाइज एज एनी अदर. सो आई थिंक उसकी वजह से मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं.
Roll video, roll camera, action.
The spray one, the way, I mean, when like I got the spray, I just feel it's a kind of a monologue. It's like you're talking to camera yourself, like keep cutting very like with a lot of energy, because it's like a post gym, so you have the whole energy in you. You just want to outburst, so it's tuck, 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 tuck. And that's how the dialogue deliveries was done.
वोलिनी स्प्रे हमेशा पास कीजिए, क्योंकि दर्द आ सकता है, कभी नहीं, कभी नहीं.
Even the way I'm looking at the editing also is going to be very jump cutty and very like one person talking to a camera, no intercut, nothing.
Spray used to be again a 55 gram pack. Being the price sensitive market it was, we introduced the lower 35 gram unit pack, and we are now like introduced a 15 gram pack as well, and that's exploded the market like big time. Volini being perceived as a premium end product, now operating in say the main core and heart of the market and all, which is in the price band of anywhere from 10 to like 30-40 rupees and all.
Because they can't make an excuse. If they will do, they will be told कि वोलिनी लगाओ और काम पे आओ. So सबको बता रहे हैं तो अपने लिए तो अप्लाई करना ही पड़ेगा.
Who could like go about suffering and are purely our TGs and all. So we have Volini. I would say Volini Maliya काम पर चलिए.
India's #1 spray for instant pain relief.